this is Foot 20, Ball 12. And I'm going to show you a little tactics video. Sorry if you can't see, I'm doing my best. And then you can put your tactics here, go do some grinding along the side. This is just one of my ramps. P-Rod Skate Park. See ya. And thank you for watching, YouTubers.